这个设计，
这个厉害啊！
时间是金，会流走在一个不小心，叫不轻轻，他不管你听没听见。日月如梭，这是老人说的经典。循环播放，摆在桌上的经验，避免挥霍过后泪眼受到批评。毕竟时针瞄准分分交换，绝不留在顶点。我功力尽现在历练的期间，沉重的包袱先上路在今。时间在帮我上坡，脚下的地图画进波浪，形容说的全是毒药。是绝人的交交错，左右反回多深的视线，你在劳动面板。
How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to another live stream today. We will be live trading pretty much the whole time. Yeah, I'm actually short on Matic here, like indicated on the chart. I did actually take this trade a little bit earlier. I do think that Matic's going to come down. I do have a signal though for you guys right now to squeeze short. So basically, take this. I did actually take this short already. Back down to this lows here. Okay, so I'm expecting price to just continue to the downside here today. So we are short on SWI at this level. Yeah, so have a look at this. It does look really, really clean here. So TP for SWI is going to be at 8620, and then Matic TP is going to be just these lows at 0.9621. Okay. So yeah, we are short on both of these coins here. Okay. We are short on this. But yeah, I want to quickly speak about Bitcoin first. Because the problem like today with Bitcoin is, we were speaking about it yesterday. I was quite bearish on yesterday. And then we had that massive wick to the upside first, right? So if we have a look at Bitcoin, have a look here. So this is pretty much the structure that we got going for today. If you look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the daily, what we have, the daily time frame, you know, took out these highs over here, took out these highs, and then we started to flip bearish within today. So the current structure for me today to take shorts is we're gonna have to wait for this candle here, right? We're gonna have to wait for this to actually flip bearish here. Okay, if this flips bearish, then we're gonna see Bitcoin come back down to these lows over here at around about 50k. Okay, so I'm still quite bearish on the day, to be honest, like I was saying yesterday. But this is a live trading session, so we did take that short for Matic, and then if you guys did just join now, we did also take a short for SWI. Okay, so I'm expecting SWI to come back down to these lows at like 0.8620. Okay, and then Matic also looks very, very nice. BNB is so interesting. I actually took a short over here, and then I don't know what happened today, but there was a massive buy up. Have a look at the 1 minute. Look at this candle. Like, you can't really predict that. But yeah, it's fine. We are short of Matic here. I do think that Matic's going to drop quite hard. Look at the market structure. There's a bit of a bear flag over here. The target is 0.96328. Okay, and then SCI. You can take sells for SCI as well. Okay, let's see how this plays out, guys.
跟潘潘说一下，就是可能需要小心一点，因为我这首歌不是那些小情歌随随便便可以赢的。
他说我超了 A， 他们说我超了 A。他们说我超了别人 flow， 我的 rap 在学人走，不好意思做了这么久，但还是没能够让你记住我的名字，代表上海这座 city。我从 QQ 音乐、网易云直超到哔哩哔哩，都对我超了 A， 无痛无天的 A， 被他们发现了 A， 只要他们觉得对，其他都无所谓，目标就是变得way，鸡蛋就像更感地带，怎么能够那么厉害？我超了马舒克，超了你的男孩 TTT， 超了声纹巨匠 IS， 连马孙女 GBC。JD flow 太复杂了，我想我先得 GPG， 我超了 Brian B， 我抄袭了谢帝和 CDC。TY 还有王贤货 ，Hurry Carry on the beat， 哎，我的法抄袭派克的 Cream D， 廖小农哦零下 A， 是我抄袭的名单 A， 吃货绑架 POA， 王宇 Hash 刘 J， 我超了 Pray， 山崎四耀海马 CJ 和小爱，超了欧阳靖，超吴亦凡，当然还超我大，我超了西耀还有 E， 超了 受军朝和戏，模仿了万亿的密友，拿我娃娃 legacy。当我的高度像过巴比伦的一般，但是他们全部都在盖着记。不管站在任何拉。
It's track sick. So, like I said, guys, we are bearish here, guys. We are bearish. Look at Sui. We actually did take this one in the beginning. Matic, I took a little bit earlier because I was expecting price to break this level here. So we'll see how this plays out. But overall, looking quite good here. Overall, bearish for the day as well. So we don't really want to be taking longs. So, yeah. Only sells here, guys. If Matic breaks this low here, we're gonna see a massive drop, like very quickly. Very quick here. If it breaks there, it's gonna drop. Starting to break now. Let's see. There we go. Oh, there it is. Have a look at Sui, Matic. These trades were both sent in the beginning of the stream. And Sui, yeah. Looks like we're gonna get a nice push here. Yeah, look at Sui. Sui's about to dump. And then Solana, I was gonna take shorts, but I think Matic's is clean, yeah. Very, very clean. What's happening? I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you guys are doing well. We are on shorts. We are on shorts. How much does one need to trade with to make an okay profit, like a $300? Okay, yeah, that's a good question. So like, the question is, how much does one need to trade to make okay profit? Well, it depends on like what's okay for you, right? The problem is what a lot of people do when they trade, like, you know, let's just say you have $100 in your accounts. A lot of people put $100 on a trade, so they're using 100% of the capital to take one trade, which is really wrong, right? You should only be risking maximum like 5 to 10% per trade. So you just have to manage your risk. It's not about making profits, because the thing is, you have to first find a strategy that works for you and make sure you're consistent first, right? So if you're consistent over a certain time period, it looks like we're getting that drop here, guys. Look at this. Look at Sui. This was sent in the beginning here. So you have to make sure that you're consistent first, and then once you're consistent, you can up your margin. Yeah. So just make sure that you're risking like 5% of your account balance, or like 2%, depending. But you shouldn't be risking more than 10% of your account balance per trade. It just doesn't make sense, because if you don't put a stop loss and you know the price just goes the opposite way, then you can lose a lot more. Okay, so it's not about making okay profit in the beginning, because in the beginning, you know, you're still learning. So you have to make sure you find something that works for you. And then once it works for you, oh, look at this, beautiful. This was sent right in the beginning. I'm going to take some profits here. Okay, I'm going to take 50% out here. Okay, I took out 50% here. Took out 50% here. So we took out 50%. Secure some profits here. Yeah. Can you short C now? I wouldn't short now, but it probably will drop. Look at Matic. Matic's absolutely ripping. Let me go to Matic here. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to take out 50% here for Matic now. Take out 50% as well. The market's looking really bearish here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is why you guys need to join in the beginning, because the reason why I go live at 1 p.m. is because we get a bit of volume here, mainly. Okay. Yeah, it's a track. There we go. Matic's about to dump here, guys. It's about to dump. Solana as well.
天不怕地不怕，主力房子特别大，英镑美金人民币，老子们全都吃得下。天不怕地不怕，不耍皮肤只打架，从来不说黑娃，因为黑娃不讲中国话。赚头头钱头拖钱头头钱头拖钱头拖钱，赚头头钱头拖钱头头钱头拖钱头拖钱，赚头头钱头拖钱头头钱头拖钱头拖钱，赚头头钱头拖钱头头钱头拖钱头拖钱。那边的 place 我们放给这种风格，走出中国中国收藏我最疯的家。
Beautiful trades, guys. Beautiful. Oh, it's about to drop, yeah. It's about to drop.
粒粒破亮，每天都想被我卡掉，随时都感觉很顶顶。
Bitcoin, check Bitcoin. Bitcoin's breaking now. Beautiful.
随时都感觉很顶顶，但是梦里还没醒醒。谁的玩给老子听到就嘎西了，永远是重庆的 king。搞清楚了没有？另一半我不
Yeah, we're gonna wait for Bitcoin, yeah. Bitcoin closes like this, we're gonna take sales.
找到细节，老子只给你6几岁，不用再去奋斗激烈。看现在是个企业，我们早就出了草。兄弟都是 rap star， 其实都想走人法。
Yeah, look at the market. It's all selling off here.
因为我们天不怕地不怕，主力房子特别大，英镑美金人民币，老子们全都吃得下。天不怕地不怕，不耍皮肤只打架，从来不说黑娃，因为黑娃不讲中国话。赚头头钱头拖钱头头钱头拖钱头拖钱，赚头头钱头拖钱头头钱头拖钱头拖钱，赚头头钱头拖钱头头钱头拖钱头拖钱，赚头头钱头拖钱头头钱头拖钱头拖钱。 AKA 中央银行印钞机，小妹妹快点过来认干爹，才是你。
Okay, we're gonna have a look. We're gonna have a little look here for some other trades. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. We can have a look to see if we can
有
maybe
些人会
catch
成为你的朋友
a new trade.
或者是知己，有些人会跟你斗得头破血流，管他呢，开心就开心就。
I'm gonna have a look to see if I can catch a trade. Yeah.
无法拒绝你，我们靠得紧密。如果我是苹果，你就是地心引力。还能自己离家的并亲为你，随时随地我们的爱不用刻意隐蔽。我的愿望就是占有你的一生，我想我们的爱不会真的就会递增。你是我眼里最迷人的晚霞，只要有你在我身边，我就不再感到害怕。当你拉出我的衣服劝我不要放我那一刻，我的心情就已经开始起飞，开始冲击，明天醒来不用牵着你的手指，当你把我放在心里第几位。
Have a look here. Have a look here. So Bitcoin. I want to explain to you guys something quickly for Bitcoin. The reason why I'm bearish today is quite simple, right? Yesterday we took out the 33,000. We tapped 33,000 pretty much exactly, right? And there's a lot of longs that got liquidated here, right? A lot of people got liquidated at these highs. Okay, so a lot of people got liquidated at these highs, and now you can see price couldn't close above this level, right? Price couldn't close above this level. Yeah. So in order for me to take a long position for Bitcoin, price needs to close above like these highs, right? But because we didn't close above those highs, and we took out the 53,000 level, it's just bearish, right? There's nothing bullish about today, to be honest with you. Okay. And then have a look now. What is happening? Price is retesting this level here, this trend line multiple times, right? We tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and now we're actually closing below this level. Okay, so it's looking quite bearish today. Oh wait, I was meant to show this chart. I was showing the wrong chart. So yeah, what I'm saying for Bitcoin is the 53k level, right? So we took out all of these longs yesterday. People got liquidated. Can't be, price isn't closing above this level here. You know, it's not really strong today for Bitcoin. So as long as if price starts closing below here, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop back down to 50,000 very soon. Yeah, so I will be taking shorts. Yeah, sorry, I just realized. Yeah, so Bitcoin, I am bearish, guys. I am bearish. So I will be looking for sells today for Bitcoin as well. I will be looking for sells as well. Oh baby, lonely dance. Okay, so look here. I will be looking for sells for Bitcoin today. This is what I'm going to be looking at today. Back down to 50k. Yeah, I will be looking at that. Let's go back to see if our trades are still running in profit here. Matic still clean, guys. Matic is still clean. Matic is absolutely so clean. Yeah, we took this literally in the beginning of the stream, like 1 minute into the stream. We took this trade, and then Sui is looking really, really clean. Yeah. Okay, look at Sui here. So I want to show you. This is like pretty much my strategy. I'll show you exactly what I'm speaking about. So have a look at Sui, right? This level here, right? This level that we got going here. If you look left, right? Look how strong this level is. Price could never close. Let me change the song. Price couldn't close below this level, right? But whenever price closes below, what happens? Price comes to 0.8621, right? Okay. And then over here, price couldn't close below, but price closed below over here. And then we had a nice top wick. So I'm expecting price to just continue, right? Because this level, if you look at the 50 minutes right now, price closed perfectly below this level, right? So that's why we took profits at these wicks over here, because there is a bit of resistance, support at these levels, right? If you look at the 5 minutes. Have a look at the 5 minutes. Look at this level here. It's quite it's not strong at all. It's not strong at all, but there might be a bounce at this level. So we did take out 50% at that zone, okay? So just remember always to take some profits out, because price can still bounce from these zones. It's not always a guarantee, right? It's not always a guarantee. Okay. So we're going to wait for Bitcoin, yeah? We're going to wait for Bitcoin. If you guys have any questions or any charts you want me to go over, just let me know. The market's about to dump again. This is why I go live at this time, because the market moves a lot, guys. The market moves a lot. There we go. Can't really take this though, because I think it's Solana. Solana's about to dump, yeah. I'm gonna wait for this. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this. If this happens, I don't think it will, but if it happens, it happens. So what I want to see happen here for Solana is I want to see price. I do want to see price come back up to this level here for a retest, okay? And then we take sells back down because the market's bearish, right? So I want to take sells here. Okay. I do want to take sells if the market comes back up here. So we're going to wait for this for Solana, guys. We're going to wait. If you guys have questions, just let me know in the chat. Okay, we're going to... where do you see ETH going down to? Yeah, let's speak about ETH. Let's speak about ETH. Let's speak about ETH. The market looks terrible today, guys. It doesn't look great. It doesn't look great. So ETH closed below the level here. We're going to look for sells there as well for ETH. I think I spoke to you guys yesterday about ETH. I was quite bearish on yesterday. I do see ETH coming back down to 28.41. The market's not looking great today. The market's not looking great. The market's not looking good. Yeah, let's be honest with you guys. It's not looking good. Not looking good. Bitcoin, we're waiting for sells. Because if you look at Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, right? Yeah, we kind of need to wait for this candle to close below. But let's see how this 30-minute candle closes, guys. If this 30-minute candle closes like this, then I'm going to take sells. Because look here, look left. Okay, so this range, if you look at the chart, right? If you look at the chart, this range over here, whenever price closes below this range, price tends to come back down to 28.90, right? Okay, so for me to take sells, I need to see this 30-minute candle close below this level, right? If it doesn't close below, then what's going to happen is price is most probably just going to carry on bouncing from this level, like we had over here. We had a bounce over here. We can expect a bounce back up to this level, but we need to wait for the 30-minute candle to close below this level, back down to the zone, and then if it breaks that zone, then I can see ETH going back down to 28.41. Okay, so, but I mean, currently right now it's holding, right? It is holding. So we have to wait and be patient here. Okay. There we go. This is the song. This is the track. So we're gonna wait 8 minutes, guys. Just be patient. 8 minutes, and then you can make quite a nice percentage. So just be patient, yeah. These are the two trades we are now. Yeah. Matic and see how they play out. If Matic breaks this low at 0.9621, then I can see Matic coming back down to these lows here, guys. So, like, to be honest, the market's not looking great. Not looking great at all. It looks very bearish. Looks very bearish. This is Bitcoin. We're still waiting for Bitcoin here. I do think the Bitcoin is a dump here, guys. Needs to close below this level, yeah. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this sell for Ethereum here, guys. I'm gonna take this. Yeah. I'm gonna take this sell, yeah, for ETH. Yeah. I'm taking sells here for ETH, guys. I'm gonna take these sells, yeah. The market's bearish, so.
My car goes the beat goes my car goes the beat goes
Yeah, bass drum, knock your head， 夫妻 is coming， 你们叫的 beat， 破娱乐圈老子闭了眼，是你烂包装别漏了钱，产业后台我破实力，口嗨你们是龙头要垄断，好把 logo 投给你们身子好看，照着避免随便卡你后，翘着鼻子背着打你头，集体对象还不露庙里拜，就是治你病快往嘴里塞，一把的劲儿一把个 flow， 塞把旁边小胖凑，rap star best guy 新疆的嘴儿，白银黄金我跟大自由 ，I'm not crazy，I'm 中央导弹 ，I'm not gangster，I'm 老板，烂土话的像迪士尼，其实你好这个意思，车子和鞋是你亮亮的擦，多多的票是哪能早早回家？哎，
Yeah, we took these souls, yeah, we took these souls. There it comes. Matic's about to profit, yeah. Oh, look at Sui. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this. Sui. I mean, he's dumping. Absolutely dumping. Yeah, beautiful. So we literally took this now. We took this like 2 minutes ago. So we're in around about 4 trades now. Beautiful. ETH is about to dump. I'm gonna have to set up and take one of these trades with you. You definitely do. You definitely have to take these trades with me. I don't want to be taking them alone. This song's sick. Let's play the song. It's about to dump, guys. Watch. It's about to dump hard. Once it breaks this, it's gonna about to absolutely dump here. It needs to break this low though. Bitcoin's about to dump as well. There we go. There it comes. About to dump. Look at this. Once it breaks this wick, huge dump. There it is. Huge. There it is. I'm gonna take some profits here. Yo, something. Yeah, I'm taking profits here, guys. Come. I'm gonna do my stop loss to break even. Oh, have a look at Matic. Matic is absolutely dumping here, guys. Ethereum is dumping. Everything is dumping. Everything is dumping. We took some profits for.
张一根，你在吗？很大的我。如果你是想跟我比沙雕的话，你绝对不如我，因为我是派大星。大概闪光灯的故 姑娘放我一条生路，你的男友看你对我照片发色，问你分布，我是历史上最成功的土拨鼠。
Okay, that's a good question. So if you have $500, how much you put in one of these trades? So you probably put maximum $50. I wouldn't go more than $50 per trade because because of risk management, right? So if you put $500 on a trade, it won't make sense because if you lose 20% of that, then you lose $100, right? So so put like $50 per trade, then you get $50 per trade and you're fine. But now you see, like all of these trades that I took today, guys, like Matic took profit. The sweet trade, we took out 50% over here, and then we put our stop loss to break even. So we're always managing our trades here, because at any given point in time, I could be wrong and the price can just flip. It can definitely flip bullish, right? At any given point in time. Obviously, I'm not always gonna be right. Yeah. What's my leverage? I use 20 leverage mainly for scalping. I use around about 20 leverage. Yeah. I use around about 20 leverage. Sometimes I use 50 leverage, depending on how good my setup is. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that's a good question. So let's just say, for example, right, so your question is, with $50, what kind of profit are we talking? Okay, so we can do the calculation here quickly. Let me do the calculation for you. So this trade for Ethereum is, if it hits take profit, we're talking at around about a 1.18% take profit target, right? So let's do the calculation here. See, this is why we took some profits, right? Because like I'm telling you, at any given point of time, it can flip bullish. Okay, but let's just say for calculation's sake, so so our target equals 1.18%. Okay, and we're using a 20x leverage, right? So you times that by 20x, okay, which is around about 2 points. Shit, my math is not mathing. 2.36, 2.23 points. Puzzling. My math is not operating today. 23.6. I was right. Okay. 6%. Okay. So 23.6% is what you'll make on this trade. Okay. So then you say 23.6% times $50, right? Because that's your margin, right? So you say 23.6% times 50. You're talking around about $12 on that trade, okay? $12, and the thing is, you do a couple of trades like this, sometimes it could be more, but the thing is, you need to build up confidence first. So $12 doesn't seem like a lot, right? But the more you trade in a day, like today, for example, we took one trade, we took 2 trades over here, we took Ethereum trade, and then we're looking to take the Bitcoin trade as well. So if you take a couple trades a day, and then once your capital starts going up to like $1,000, you can risk $100 per trade, and that will be like $30 per trade, your profit. So yeah, it will slowly build, but you always have to make sure that you're using risk management. Otherwise, because the thing is with trading, like for example, if I didn't put a stop loss above this level for Bitcoin, then price can easily just carry on pumping back up to these levels, right? So yeah. But yeah, if you want to trade on CoinW, just let me know. I can send you a link, and I can give you a good rebate. Just let me know if you want that link. I can send you that. And we also have a Telegram group where we teach people how to trade as well, and we give signals every day. So if you want to join that, just let me know. I'll post it in the group as well. Okay. But yeah, today's been a good day. I'm not gonna lie. Today has been a good day. Today has been a good day. Yeah, Matic's dumping it. I took profit so earlier. I did take profit quite earlier for Matic. Because check out Matic, it closed below the range. And now it's most probably going to come back down to this low, yeah. Another 3%. It's crazy. This, Matic closed below the range. You know, you're looking at another target of a 5% target. It's quite crazy. But I took profit quite early. But it's scalping, right? I'm not prepared to hold this for more than 20 minutes. So I do day trade. I don't worry about holding on for too long. There's no point. Right? There's no point of holding on for too long. Because at any given point in time, I can flip the other direction. Yeah. Beautiful trades, beautiful trades. Ethereum is going to dump again. Bitcoin. I'm thinking about taking this Bitcoin short here, guys. I'm gonna take this short here for Bitcoin. Where would take profit be? Let's have a look. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna take this trade once this candle flips bearish. Yeah. We're gonna wait for the candle to flip bearish here because I wanna explain something to you guys quickly. Because so look here, look how Bitcoin closed bearish, right? So Bitcoin closed bearish below this zone, right? So below this trend line that we got going here, it closed below. But this next candle doesn't have a bottom wick, right? So in trading terms, right, when a candle doesn't have a bottom wick, it means that the price has not yet grabbed liquidity in order for it to flip bearish, right? So now that we're creating this top wick, which is good, right? It's grabbing liquidity to the upside, okay? And then once this candle flips bearish, we'll take the sells back down because that would confirm price coming back down to these lows, right? So I'm gonna wait for this candle to flip bearish, wait for it to flip, and then we take sells. I don't want to take sells now because price can still come back up to this level here and play around. But once this candle flips bearish below here, then I'm gonna take sells back down to this level. Okay. But everything is looking good, yeah. Everything is looking good. The Matic's, I mean, I don't know. Matic just dumped so hard. Matic's dumping way too hard. Dumping way too hard, yeah, guys. But yeah, so we're still in SWI. We're still in Ethereum, and we're waiting for Bitcoin. So we're waiting for Bitcoin. We're still in Ethereum. And then we're still in SWI, but we did get out of Matic. We did get out of Matic quite early. But let's see what Bitcoin can do for us now. Let's wait for Bitcoin. Yeah. The market looks like it's going to carry on dumping today, guys. Looks like it's about to carry on dumping. I need to get more songs because I just replay these songs way too much. Which one haven't I played? I don't know. I played this one. I did play this one. Yeah, it's about to flip bearish. Yeah, check it this. Once this flips bearish, we're gonna take sells, guys. Once this flips bearish, because have a look at ETH. ETH's looking good, yeah. Because ETH doesn't have a bottom wick either. Check. Have a look at the candle. It has a small little one, whereas Bitcoin doesn't even have a bottom wick here. So we're gonna wait for Bitcoin. I'm not saying you guys should take these trades, but I mean the market's bearish. So I don't look at Matic. Matic's absolutely dripping. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take this trade here for Bitcoin. I'm gonna take this trade now. It's flipping bearish here, guys. Take sells for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'll go a bit more leverage because of the movements. Yeah, I'm gonna take sells here. Taking sells for Bitcoin, yeah. Taking sells, yeah, guys, for Bitcoin. Have a look. I think Bitcoin's about to dump. Let's see how this plays out. Sol's dumping. I think everything's dumping. Check Bitcoin, it's about to dump here, guys. We did take this right now. Yeah. Look at Ethereum. Look at that massive top wick that we got going there. It's absolutely huge. We're still in the sell here. Bitcoin. Look at this, it's about to dump. About to dump here. We're gonna watch this dump live. I think it's just absolutely drip, yeah. There we go. Here comes a dump. There it is.
我就连朋友圈都带起 follow， 并叫从咖啡壶的歌里查找，隐藏他们应该没有听过，那些评论间都不进大脑。我抄袭李佳隆，我抄袭李佳隆，我抄袭李佳隆。
That's a good question. That is a very good question. Let's have a look at news. What news do we have today? I don't even know. Normally I check. Let's have a look. We have FOMC. Yeah, FOMC. That's only at 11 p.m. So we still have the whole day. Don't really have to worry about news, but it might settle before. Well, Bitcoin has to bounce, right? It's not. Bitcoin's not just going to dump the whole day, right? It's going to have to bounce. So I expect it to bounce at 50,800 like we had yesterday. But if Bitcoin closes below that level, then we have 50k. So I do think that 50k today is possible. Okay. I honestly do think that's possible. Sweet just hit take profit, guys. Beautiful. Sweet just hit take profit, yeah. The whole market's just absolutely dumping. I'm from South Africa. I was born in South Africa, but I actually live in Dubai. I work in Dubai. But yeah, originally from South Africa. Been trading for 5 years. I started with Forex, and then I got into crypto trading. I do Forex as well on the side as well, but mainly crypto at the moment because of the volatility. Yeah, I'll check out Ethereum. Ethereum's starting to flip, yeah. Bitcoin seems to be holding. We need to wait for this 15. If this 15-minute candle closes like this, it looks so clean. Cap. You're probably wondering because my Chinese music. The Chinese music's just crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Like the rap, so to say.
Rainbow baby， 呀呀滴答 ARK， 说我唱6M， 说我唱6M， 那我怎么不承认？黄皮肤 爱热还有让你超了这口我也超不醉，爱抚节里胖吃辣，王叔的歌词我都会背。Let's go， 真的强你好几倍，我真的强你好几倍。
Beautiful. Bitcoin's about a dump still, guys. I still think that there's a big dump coming. Oh, this is the sex song. Ethereum, we're still short. We're still short on Ethereum, guys. We're still short on Ethereum. We're still short. We're not short on Sui anymore. We're not short on Matic. Just Bitcoin and ETH. Bitcoin and Ethereum that we short now.
只希望酒精能让你从新认识一切，看透这世间人情，给它百倍。当酒精浸透你每个神经，我们一起举杯，在一起同行。无所谓这中间重要是风景，何必在乎结果和谁输谁赢？跨越这大山大河，记住那大恩大德，一个真兄弟的肩膀胜过最少想拜佛。如今我大悟大彻，看世间潮起潮落，重要是家人和朋友，而不是放肆挥霍。家人曾伤心难过，而你曾把我瞒过。每颗流星划过夜空前时，眼泪不停闪烁，出征前内心忐忑，锋利的匕首反握，准备杀死对手前身，让我来杀死懒惰。和兄弟一起就别自大，装逼的我就真心话，酒后吹牛逼耍酒疯的都他妈是假黑怕，我酒后都是真心话，失去谁我的真心话，一颗勇敢的心用整片太阳都装不下。Real life, real life, real life, I want real life.
Okay, listen to this carefully, guys. So this thing, it's called the fixed. If you look on the left here, you can see. If you scroll down, you can't see. Let me just remove my face quickly. I'll remove my face. There we go. Okay, so have a look here. The fixed range volume profile. Okay, so this is important, right? So what you do is, I'll show you here. Bitcoin stamping, beautiful. So you grab your fixed range volume profile, and you take it from the beginning of the move to where we are currently. And this shows you, this line shows you the most traded volume within Bitcoin. So over here at 51,800, this is where price, where a lot of people are short and long in the market, right? There's the most traded volume at this level, okay? And you can see this candle, this previous 4-hour candle closed below here, and then we came up, retested. This candle came up, retested this level, and then we looking to come down, right? So this tool is good to use as support and resistance. It does hold. Beautiful. I think Bitcoin's about to dump here, guys. Let's see.
振作就那么几个，醉生梦死就是喝，最后也没剩几个，所以难得糊涂，19最难喝。越想清醒，清醒的身体最难过。你可以选择它，也可以选择花，但是你选择不了带你来这个世界的巴赫马。为了我的家，为了还能听到真心话，为了肩膀上面靠的，一起再来个下。
Yeah, we didn't take this trade. Full
希望酒精能让你从心认识一切，看透这世间人情，给它百倍。当酒精浸透你每个神经，我们一起举杯，在一起同行。无所谓这中间重要是风景，何必在乎结果和谁输谁赢。
Yeah, the thing is with Solana, what I was thinking is, okay, price closed below. I was waiting for price to come back up, retest this level, take sells. I mean, we can still wait for that, right? Price can still come back up and come back down. So, but yeah, to be honest, can't really do anything now. Just gonna wait for Bitcoin to start driving here.
当酒精浸透你每个神经，你再也不需要别人同情，只希望酒精能让你从心认识一切，看透这世间人情，给它百倍。当酒精浸透你每个神经，我们一起举杯，在一起同行。无所谓这中间重要是风景，何必在乎结果和谁输谁赢。跨越这大山大河，记住那大恩大德，一个真兄弟的肩膀胜过最少想拜佛。如今我大悟大彻，看世间潮起 起潮落，重要是家人和朋友，而不是放肆挥霍。家人曾伤心难过，而你曾把我瞒过。每颗流星划过夜空前是眼泪不停闪烁，出征前内心忐忑，锋利的匕首反握，准备杀死对手前身，让我来杀死懒惰。和兄弟一起就别自大，装逼的我就真心话。酒后吹牛逼耍酒疯的都他妈是假黑怕，我酒后都是真心话，失去谁我都真心怕。一颗勇敢的心用整片太阳都装不下。Real life, real life, real life, real life, real life, real life, I wanna.
I'll show you. Good question. So the question is, how do you know where the liquidity is and the way to tell? So have a look at this chart here. Have a look at this chart, guys. So this chart shows you pretty much where the liquidity is sitting at. Okay, so it's called web.bookmap.com. Okay, so I use this a lot. It shows you where the buying pressure is, the selling pressure is. So have a look over here. You can see that right now Bitcoin at 51,300. There's a lot of orders over here. If you have a look here, there's 294 Bitcoin to the upside, and there's 257 Bitcoin to the downside. So there's more longs in the market at the minute, but I'm expecting price to come back down to 50,800. Like we analyzed that, right? We analyzed 50,800. This level here. That was just looking at the chart, but if you look at the book map, 50,800. There's 489 Bitcoin sitting at that level, where people are looking to long the market. So 50,800. I expect Bitcoin to hit that today, based on the book map, and then also based on the chart that we got going here, right? So you can use the book map. It can help you a lot on where prices are going to go, just based on looking at the liquidity over here. Okay, so it's called Web. I'll post it in the chat so you guys can have it. Just post it in the chat. You can look at that. Bitcoin's dumping, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Five trades today, 5 in profit. Can't get more better than that, eh? Can't get better than that today. Look at this, it's about to rip. It's absolutely about to rip here. I don't see any buying pressure coming now. I think it's going to dump hard here, guys. Take profit 1 will probably be here. Take profit 1 will be right over here at 51k. 51k. This link here, I posted it in the chat. Have a look. This is where you can find the book map. Yeah. Patience, yeah, patience. We need to see a sweep. We need to see a sweep here. Patience. Bitcoin needs to dump here. There we go, it's about to dump. Turn the volume up. The question is, so if it drops, that number of people get wrecked and the price goes up. Yeah, so good question. So basically, if you look here, right, 50,800. All the shorts, all these longs over here get wrecked. So we see a massive drop to 50,800. Yeah, and if price breaks through 50,800, all of these bitcoins that all these orders placed over here get wrecked. All these longs get destroyed, and then price comes back down to this new level at 50,400. Breaks through there. All of these people longing over there get wrecked as well. So yeah, the thing is, the market's it's cruel, right? I mean, people are getting liquidated left, right, and center. So that's why we have stop losses. That's why we do have stop losses. Let's see if we can get the last push here. You can see.
却又相同，不同思念在不同时间，在街角我们相拥，你总贴在我的耳边，我们有时沮丧，有时
There it comes. There comes the dump. There comes the dump. There it comes. How can I tell if it's gonna carry on dumping? It's quite simple. Right? I'll explain it right now. But basically, have a look. Let me show you something here. I'm gonna explain something here. Turn the volume down. Lonely dance. Have a look here, guys. Have a look. Where's the support? The support is over here, right? Where's the resistance? The resistance is over here. So where's price gonna go? Price can only go to this level here or this level here, right? It can't really go anywhere else. There's no support. There's no resistance on the left here. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of profit here. I'm gonna take a little bit of profit, 25%, just to secure something. Because I'm quite high on my leverage here. I'm at about a 50x leverage, so I'm gonna take out 25% here. Remember, it's always good to take profits, right? Otherwise, there's no point of trading. Lonely day. Yeah, let's dump. Exactly, let's dump. Exactly, let's see the dump. Let's see the dump. Yeah, this song makes a dump. Remember yesterday we were playing the song and it dumped hard. This song makes a dump hard. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, guys. Move stop loss to break even. There it comes. It's about a dump. There it is. Remember 51k. What's happening at 51k? 51k. There's not much. We're gonna break 51k quite easily. I'm gonna take more profits here. I'm gonna take up 50. I took out 50% here. Took out 50%. Oh, there it is. There it is. Beautiful. See how it's bouncing here, guys. It's bouncing here. There it is. There it is. It's about to dump. About to dump. There it is, yeah. There it is. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Brass mouth bouncer, brass mouth bouncer. Also, remember, guys, 51k is a psychological level, right? So, like, people take profits at 51k. So, this is why we are seeing a bounce as well. It's a small bounce. It's nothing crazy, right? Nothing crazy. We are looking at 50k, yeah. We are looking at 50k. Okay, that's almost too much.
Start with a simple knock, 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 knock. I don't give a damn about you guys, blah, blah, blah. Start with a simple knock, 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 knock. I don't give a After turning still rock， 从来不会打败。太多人想看我出丑，那么你就当面来，两张嘴在人前背后造谣，左右夹击。感谢被迫出了病，病人我松一口气。下雨让我无心发现这里空气不干净。把做人善被人欺，我始终不相信。直到昨天没事发现妈妈你说的机器，这面斑驳的老墙为何刷上油漆
I do appreciate everyone joining. Thanks so much. I will see you tomorrow. We go live every day. I do have another live stream tonight at 5 p.m. So make sure you join there. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.